Introducing the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this two-door truck excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and more. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.